Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to place for smart online income tips. Today we're diving into something huge, how to make money from TikTok, even if you're just starting out. You've seen people go viral, dance their way into brand deals, and even quit their 9-to-5 jobs. But how exactly are they doing it? And how can you start earning too? Stick around because I'll walk you through 6 legit ways to make money on TikTok, step by step. Number 1. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. First up is the TikTok Creator Fund. If you're over 18, have at least 10,000 followers, and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you can apply. TikTok pays you for the views your content gets. It's not huge money, but it's a great start. Number 2. Work with brands. Once you hit 5 to 10K followers, you can start pitching to brands. Think fashion, tech, beauty, fitness, whatever fits your niche. Brands pay for shoutouts, reviews, or just to get in front of your audience. Number 3. Use affiliate links. Want to earn money without creating your own product? Use affiliate links. Share links in your bio or comments to products you love. Every time someone buys, you earn a commission. Number 4. Sell your own products. From ebooks to merch to online courses, TikTok is the perfect place to sell your own stuff. If you have an audience that trusts you, selling becomes natural. Number 5. TikTok Live Gifts. Going live. Fans can send you virtual gifts that convert into real money. This works best if you engage, entertain, or teach something during your stream. Number 6. TikTok Shop and affiliate sales. Last but not least, TikTok Shop. You can become an affiliate or seller directly on the platform and tag products in your videos. It's TikTok's version of a marketplace and it's growing fast. That's it. 6 real ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. Whether you're just starting or already posting daily, there's a method for everyone. Which of these will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a money-making tip.